Yes, Abhishek.
Ma'am, sir is telling that he has joined. Can you check?
I am not seeing Agarwal sir here. Sir should join the inauguration session link, Abhishek. Not sir's session.
I think he joined there. I will
Ah,
join.
you please tell him. Requesting all to please mute. Should I start, sir? I think by the time Agarwal sir will join.
Better wait if any technical problem, no?
Okay.
Maybe few minutes already, sir. No. The
Okay.
process of joining.
Okay.
One link
Okay.
is Vinny, can you ask Abhishek to send new link now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Maybe there is a confusion. Which link?
Yes, I will send. Okay, I will tell.
Okay.
करना है तो क्या करना होगा?
सर अब ज्वाइन कर गए हैं सर, मेरे उसको डिस्कनेक्ट कर दीजिए।
नहीं, अभी मुझे दोबारा दूसरे लिंक पे भी करना पड़ेगा शायद लिंक।
उसमें भी सर सेम वही पे हो जाएगा सर।
मुझे उसमें क्रोम में जाना पड़ेगा, नया विंडो में।
हाँ सर मैं हूँ सर, आप मुझे ये कर लीजिए।
ओके, नाउ आई हैव जॉइंड, इट्स ओके।
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Agarwal, sir.
Hello, good morning. I'm so sorry. This is
No problem, no problem.
issues are there. But okay, anyway, yeah, please. I'm
Sir,
here.
shall we start? Shall we start?
Yeah. I think we are already a bit late, but we can start. Yeah. So
Yeah.
sorry. Apologies.
No problem, sir.
Yeah. Let's start.
Good morning to all invitees and all participants. Henry Ford said, anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. On behalf of the Electrical Engineering Department of Agwell Charities, Father C. Rodrigues Institute of Technology, Vashi, Navi Mumbai, myself, Dr. Mini Rajiv, Associate Professor of the Department and FDP Coordinator, along with my co-coordinators, Dr. Mini Nambudiripat and Mr. Abhishek Shivalkar, take the privilege of welcoming you all to this inaugural function of Adel Academy sponsored 5 days faculty development program titled Power Electronic Systems and its real-time control implementation in DSP. Power electronics has become a rapidly growing field of electrical engineering. Implementation of power electronic systems and its control is not an easy task. That is the reason why we chose this topic for our FDP. We got very good response and 188 participants were approved for this FDP. We are also doing live streaming of this FDP through our institute YouTube channel. Last year, our mechanical engineering department conducted Adel Academy sponsored FDP in electric vehicle. And this year, electrical engineering department got the opportunity. It's our tradition to invoke blessings of Goddess Saraswati before any important event. Today, we have Mrs. Kirti Unni, research scholar of our institute, reciting Saraswati Vandana. Mini, audio is not there, Mini.
Ma'am, voice not coming.
Audio is not there, Mini.
Kirti is online or recorded?
No, recorded one, sir. Recorded one.
Okay, can continue for us.
जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तव चरणौ प्रणमामः। नाद ब्रह्ममयी जय वागीश्वरी शरणं ते गच्छामः। जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तव चरणौ प्रणमामः। त्वमसि शरण्या त्रिभुवनधन्या सुरमुनि वन्दितचरणा नवरसमधुरा कविता मुखरा स्मितरुचिरुचिरा भरणा
Thank you, Kirti. For your great efforts. Next, a brief introduction about the department.
Good morning, one and all. The undergraduate program of electrical engineering in FCRIT started in 1994. Within short span of time, it has become one of the leading program under Mumbai University. Presently, we have UG program in electrical engineering, postgraduate program of specialization, power electronics and drives, and PhD program. UG program is accredited by NBA in 2018 for 3 years. Department has well-equipped laboratories and qualified and experienced faculties. We have received research fund and consultancy project from various government and non-government organizations like BRNS, IEI, etc. In the year 2020, we had received Modrow grant from AICT. Electrical department faculty team includes outstanding educators and researchers who are contributing towards the overall professional and personal growth of the students. I am happy to inform you that our 3 faculty members received prestigious POSOCO award from FITT IIT Delhi for their PhD research work. Faculty and students' contribution includes but not limited to patents, good publication, best paper, best project award, etc. FCRIT alumni students have secured challenging and highly paid positions in top-ranking organizations in India and abroad. They support the department in various ways. All these supports are the backbone of our very good placements. On behalf of Electrical Department, myself, Dr. Bindu, I welcome all the participants for this ADAL FDP. I am confident that this FDP will be extremely knowledgeable, interesting, and stimulating for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Bindu, for that nice introduction. Moving on, I request Dr. S.M. Koth, Principal of our Institute, to share his valuable thoughts with us.
So, good morning, one and all. I believe teaching is changing. That is mainly because of the technology what we used to do earlier is also changing. So, learning becomes inherent part for all teachers. Maybe whatever we learned during our maybe 20-30 years back, that may not be useful today. And currently, if you see, particularly core engineering sections, mechanical or electrical, changing drastically, that is mainly because of technological disruptions. I think we need to sense this particular development or evolution as such, and we need to learn those. I think in that particular direction, today's FDP also may play a major role. And I believe strongly electrical program, maybe this changed program may play a major role in the way of life we are living today. I think it may enter in-house because smart lighting systems, smart control systems everywhere, or your all household appliances also may be smart enough. So I think we need to bring that kind of technology to learning and maybe educating our students in that particular direction so that industry or society in all may benefit immensely. With this, I believe the teaching is changing. Instead of sharing information, now we need to teach how to use the information for different application. I think in that regard, every teacher need to play a role. I think we need to start this kind of approach, particularly in teaching process. I think in all the directions, maybe this kind of FDPs may play a role. With this, I hope all the attendees or participants may immensely benefit. They may take back with them this change of approach to be adopted in teaching learning process. With this, I congratulate Dr. Mini Rajiv and their team and electrical department for planning this particular program and bringing to the faculty in all. Thank you. Over to Mini.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable thoughts. Next, we have a recording by Father Almeida, Managing Director of Acnel Technical Education Complex, Vashi, addressing the participants.
A warm welcome to Chief Guest Professor Vivek Agarwal, Professor, IIT Mumbai, Dr. S.M. Koth, our Principal, Dr. Bindu S., Head of Electrical Engineering Department, Dr. Mini Raju, Atal FDF Coordinator, Coordinators, Dr. Mini Namodiripat and Mr. Abhishek Shivalkar, other faculty members, and all registered participants from all over the country. Registered participants include faculty, research scholars, postgraduate students, and professionals from industry. Welcome each one of you. According to National Education Policy 2020, the teacher must be the center of the fundamental reforms in the education system. The education policy aims to re-establish teachers at all levels as the most respected and essential members of our society, because they truly shape our next generation of citizens. Motivation and empowerment of teachers is essential to ensure the best possible future for our children and our country. The most important factor in the success of higher education institutions is the quality and engagement of its faculty. Therefore, there is a need for well-trained faculty to expand the current institutional capacity and to produce quality graduates to meet the future demand. Faculty development programs enable the teaching fraternity to hone their skills, foster research, and update themselves with the latest development in various fields. The ICT Training and Learning Atal Academy, established with the vision to empower the faculty to achieve goals of higher education such as access, equity, and quality. Atal Academy has been sponsoring various faculty development programs for imparting and grading faculty knowledge and trust in energy areas. I'm happy that our electrical engineering department received sponsorship from Atal Academy to conduct this 5-day faculty development program in the area of power electronics titled Power Electronic Systems and real-time implementation in DSP. Power electronics is transforming future energy systems, and it can be considered as multi-tool to solve many challenges and advance towards a much-needed sustainable future. This is the second time we are getting the opportunity to conduct Atal Academy sponsored FDP. I'm reminded of a quote by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Learning process gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. Faculty development programs like today's help us to enhance our learning and enrich our knowledge through interaction with eminent personalities from academics and industries who are experts in their fields. Due to the present situation, we need to organize this valuable interaction in a virtual mode. But I do hope and look forward to seeing this event happening in our campus physically next year. We all know that engineers have completely changed the world we live in, and they play a significant role in the development and economic growth of any country. I'm sure that our 5 days FDP will provide proper training to all the participants so that we can play a significant role in the sustainable development of our country and shaping future generations. Your presence and active participation in the program will definitely make this program a grand success. My best wishes to you all. Thank you. May God bless all of you.
Thank you. Thank you, Reverend Father Almeida, for your inspiring words. Now, I would like to invite Professor Vivek Agarwal, Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Bombay, and also the Institute Chair Professor to deliver the keynote address. Agarwal sir is the resource person for the first session also. A brief introduction I will give during the first session. Sir, please give your comments on the topic selection. Over to you, sir.
Hello. And good morning, Dr. Mini and all the other distinguished colleagues, there during this inauguration session. First of all, my sincere apologies for connecting late with you. There was some problem with the networking and it took some time to sort this out. I hope I'm audible and visible. I think as all the other speakers before me have mentioned, power electronics today is a very important area. It's a very, very vital area. And there is hardly any field around us that we'll find that is actually not using power electronics. Everything is around us is using power electronics. So I just prepared some 2 or 3 slides for this keynote address to make it more formal. So I'll just share my screen and I'll just try to okay, it looks like I'm not allowed to share the screen here for some reason. But that's all right.
Which ID you have joined? I will just make you presenter, sir. One second.
Inauguration. The first one.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I can see. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so I hope that you can see my screen now. Okay, so the point I want to make in this keynote address is that unfortunately the power electronics discipline.
The screen is not visible. Screen is not visible.
Okay, I'll just see again. What's the problem?
You can share the desktop, sir. Share the desktop and.
But it's not giving me that option. That's what I was trying.
Now it is coming.
You can see my screen?
It's coming, sir. Collaborate on whiteboard, like that it is coming.
Now, can you see my screen now?
Screen, I am seeing, do you want to present or collaborate? That screen I am seeing. Whiteboard meeting, that's what I'm seeing, sir.
No, I didn't get that option. That's why I just chose that. 1 second. I just choose this. Okay. I'm so sorry about it. I just take probably 2-3 minutes and I'll say these, explain these things what I have in mind. Now you can see my screen, I suppose.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm again sorry for this. I think we are still learning with our online teaching. Due to the pandemic, I think most of us have become experts, but we're still learning. So I think this topic of this FDP is very appropriate, where Dr. Mini and her team have actually chosen a very important topic, which actually helps to basically shed light on several important concepts which are currently in use in the area of power electronics. So usually now these days, when we use the term power, usually our students, youngsters particularly, they don't feel that fascinated and attracted towards the field. So they think if it is power, it is something which is old, which is conventional and so on. But I want to actually emphasize during this lecture that power electronics is one of the most advanced and modern disciplines. And if you look at the job requirements which are posted by several major companies, you'll find that power electronics engineer is a highly sought after engineer. And usually these days, I show some of these slides, the kind of slide that you see on your screen right now, where you can see that there is a picture of a drone. There is a picture that shows how you can connect the solar photovoltaics with the grid. There is a very sophisticated power supply on the right side. And there is also one air conditioner that you can see at the lower bottom on the right side. corner. The reason I am showing you these diverse applications is to actually emphasize that power electronics is everywhere. You cannot have the drone, you cannot have this AC, you cannot have any of these systems without working without power electronics. Therefore, it is very important that we catch up with the latest trends of the power electronics. We hear what's going on, in terms of, let's say, power devices, which are the major workhorses of the power electronics, in terms of the controllers, in terms of the control schemes, and so on. So I think that this is, considering all these points, this is a very important course. So I'm really very happy to be associated with it. I'll not take much time because some of the time got wasted. Maybe I'll speak to you about the rest of the things during my regular lecture after some time. So thank you very much, and I really appreciate this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. We have come to the end of the inaugural session. I request Dr. Mini Nambudrippa to propose the vote of thanks and also inform the participants all the rules that needs to be followed. Over to you, Mini.
Thank you, Mini ma'am. A very good morning to all. On behalf of Electrical Engineering Department of Acnal Charities, Father C. Rodriguez Institute of Technology, Vashi, I would like to thank AICTE for giving us this opportunity to conduct the ATAL FTP on power electronic systems and its real-time control implementation in DSP. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to our management, especially Reverend Father Almeida and Reverend Father Savi, for providing us all the facilities and support to organize this program. My sincere and wholehearted gratitude to our chief guest and the keynote speaker, Professor Vivek Agarwal from IIT Bombay, for taking out time from his busy schedule to give a talk on power electronic systems and its applications. Sir, we are eagerly looking forward for your session. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all our speakers for the next 5 days from reputed institutes and industries for accepting our invitation in spite of their busy schedule. My sincere thanks to Dr. S.M. Koth, our principal, for his endless support and encouragement to organize this faculty development program. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to Dr. Bindu S., our HOD, for entrusting us with the responsibility of organizing this program and for all the encouragement and support. My special thanks to FTP coordinator, Dr. Mini Rajiv, and my team members for their enthusiasm, cooperation, and support, without which this program cannot be possible. I would like to extend my gratitude to all our participants who are eagerly waiting for the sessions for their interest and enthusiasm. Thanks again to one and all. Now, before starting our first session, I would like to mention the rules as per the AICTE norms. Microsoft Teams link will be provided for each session in our WhatsApp group, or can join from the calendar or the tab available in the Teams general post. It will be provided for each session separately. And each session will be recorded, which will be available for all the participants. Attendance and feedback links, that is in Teams, will be taken in each session, and that will be posted in the chat box. Also, we will download the attendance as per the timestamp. And last day, on 12th November, in the afternoon, a test will be conducted based on all the sessions. And as per AICTE norms, at least 80% attendance and 60% marks is required to be eligible for the certificate. And these are the basic rules. And now I would like to hand over to Mini ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Mini. Now I request all the participants to leave this meeting link and join the first session meeting link. Thank you all for participating, and thank you all of you for attending this inaugural session.